If you're experiencing high ping on your Steam Deck, it can affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable. Test your internet speed using a speed test website or app to confirm that you're getting the expected bandwidth. Step 2. Switch to a wired connection. If possible, connect your Steam Deck to the internet using an Ethernet cable. This can provide a more stable connection compared to Wi-Fi, reducing ping. Step 3. Close background applications. Make sure to close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes downloads, streaming services, or other devices connected to the same network. Step 4. Change Wi-Fi channels. If you're on a crowded Wi-Fi network, changing the channel on your router can help. Access your router settings and select a less congested channel to improve your connection. Step 5. Use a VPN. Sometimes, using a VPN can help reduce ping by routing your connection through a less congested server. Choose a reliable VPN service and connect to a server that is closer to the game server you're trying to reach. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce high ping on your Steam Deck and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.